Eating the right kinds of food is crucial in protecting kidney health and preventing chronic renal disease. The kidneys need extra protection as we get older, and avoiding certain foods might assist with that. The importance of this cannot be overstated as we approach our 70s. Kidney function typically declines with age, even in otherwise healthy older persons. The foods we eat, however, can have a significant effect on our kidney health, as was previously mentioned. The kidneys play an important role in a wide range of physiological functions, including blood filtration, hormone production, waste disposal via urination, fluid balance, and mineral regulation. We should avoid the following since they contribute to the accumulation of waste in the blood and body, which can cause a variety of health problems. 1. Prepackaged meals. For adults in their 60s and above, the high sodium and preservative content of canned goods including tomatoes, fruits, and vegetables can lead to kidney damage and malfunction. 2. Alcohol. Dehydration of the kidneys and other tissues and organs can result from consuming alcoholic beverages with high proof, such as beer, wine, or dry gin or spirit. As a result, renal function, which depends on the kidney's ability to filter blood, may deteriorate. The rate of decline in the kidneys and other organs can be slowed by cutting back on alcohol consumption, making this a particularly important goal for the elderly. 3. Processed foods. Eating processed foods like smoked fish, salted and dried foods, cured foods, and canned foods may increase the risk of chronic kidney disease and other chronic health problems, especially in the elderly. In light of the fact that renal disease is a significant cause of death in the United States, this is a major issue. 4. Soda. Soda consumption has been linked to health problems such as tooth decay, renal disease, and more. All of these ingredients are often found in soft drinks. Reducing soda consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of kidney disease, in addition to weight loss and reduction in the likelihood of acquiring other health problems. 5. Organ meats. Pepper soup sauce, which often includes organ meats, is a clear favorite among those aged 60 and up. As if the high quantities of saturated fat and cholesterol weren't bad enough, organ meats also include purine, a substance that promotes the body's creation of uric acid. Uric acid crystallization in the kidneys is a common consequence of uric acid accumulation. 6. Butter. Butter's high concentration of animal fats, saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol raises the risk of renal and cardiovascular disease by increasing the burden on the kidneys.